Hi, I'm Brandon Combs, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where every week we teach you the skills to supercharge your work with AI. At Erika's Lighthouse, we tackle mental health education. But the manual side of social media, planning, formatting, scheduling, was taking around 120 hours a year. We solved this by building a custom Gemini gem. Think of it as a specialized intern who knows your brand voice and your marketing calendar inside and out. Let's get started. Step 1, the knowledge base. We feed our gem a custom Google Sheet that acts as our roadmap. It includes the month's topics, specific school-based resources, and the exact links we want to promote. This may include a holiday, a special mental health-related month, an upcoming fundraising event, or anything we choose. We've also given it our key messages, brand guidelines, and a few of the best practices in social media we want it to follow. Step 2, the persona prompt. We tell the gem, you are a social media expert for a mental health nonprofit. Use this sheet to draft 15 posts for the month. But here's the secret sauce. We are getting the formatted content. The knowledge base also has an uploaded template sheet with the exact format we need it to deliver. The gem provides everything needed in a formatted CSV code. And step 3, import and scale. From there, we copy it, paste it into a new sheet, and import it directly into our CRM. In one click, an entire month of custom, focused content is scheduled across 3 channels. This process saved us enough time to reach an additional 20,000 students this year. And that's the power of reclaiming your time with AI. Are you ready to get started? Because now it's your turn. Earn your badge by completing the challenge. Thanks for watching and have fun.